Hi everyone, welcome to the part 3. In this video I am going to install the oil filter housing back in place after changing its gasket and reinstalling the alternator and some pulleys. I am starting here cleaning the oil filter housing unit using a universal cleaner or a degreaser. Actually, it is not important to clean the oil filter housing from the outside, but I am the type of guy who likes to see everything clean in the engine bay. Now I am removing the old gasket using a cutter. Make sure not to scratch the surfaces where the gasket sits. I cleaned that area also. This is the new gasket. There is only one possible position how to fit back the gasket in place, so don't worry about this. You will not make it wrong. I am applying a layer of engine oil here on the gasket. I have cleaned the engine block also using universal cleaner. Now reinstalling the oil filter housing back in place. There is two pins on the engine block that will help centering the oil filter housing. Make sure that it sits correctly. Refitting the screws back. The screws of this unit have the same size, but they have different lengths. So when removing them, make sure that you market them. I am using always a piece of cardboard where I poke the screws to know each screw goes where and so on. So tightening the screws with the specific torque. For the specific torque settings, please refer to the description of the videos. I have listed all the main values that I have found on the repair manuals that I have been using on this project. Now connecting back the Vanos line. Contact spray. I love using it before fitting back each connector. It helps preventing the corrosion of the contact. I am trying to show you here that you couldn't put back the connectors the wrong way because they are designed in a way to avoid such mistakes. Now reinstalling the alternator. Using the upper screw of the alternator helped aligning the lower screw much more easier. Connector of the alternator back in place. Reconnecting the power line. Refitting the screws of the alternator. Tightening the screw of the power line. Temporarily I am putting back the cover of the pulley because I will not refit the belt at the moment. This is the end of the part 3. The next video will be the part 4, which will be dedicated to the oil pan removal. Thanks for watching.